Just got back from buying it. We have a key, ladies and gentlemen. Time to go pick up our brand new Dodge Caravan. Hopefully it's not still raining outside. So it's currently 2 a.m. Time to go to Walmart. Yes, we aren't going to Walmart. Psych!
I don't even know if this is related to the project. I just need one of these.
Boo! Boo!
Alright, I caved. I got the headlights. Oh, there goes the oil light, and now it's back.
Dude, I like this one.
It's like a teeter totter, dude.
He needs to go to a park. My bad.
Michael, Vsauce here.
Let's go to the pet store and buy a guinea pig.
Yes.
And hide it somewhere in this car.
No.
Oh, I have more screwdrivers. He's off, so. Said it's, you know, it has a racing pedigree. You know, it's come from a long line of off-road racers. Yeah, it is. It just comes right out. Like butter. Like butter. If that doesn't say Mercedes, I don't know what does. Yep, there it is. Let me get it from the bottom end. I'm an airbender. Oh, that's much easier. Is it?
Yeah, man. Look how clean that is. Smells like a thrift store.
No, it doesn't. Hard enough.
Dude, snacks.
I'm gonna cut along it and we'll just pull the back part of the carpet out. Oh.
No, now you're releasing the mesothelioma.
Mesothelioma. If you were someone you know. Oh.
Let's have no hospital trips today.
Ah.
Or on this project.
Yeah, at all. Let's just not go to the hospital. I don't know why you said today. Every part of my respiratory system hurts. Somewhere. I bought a fire extinguisher already. I bought lots of spray paint, caution tape.
Cool.
Yeah!
Now we need to do that again, but backwards.
I think it'll work backwards.
Yeah.
I think we were just being dumb. Alright. Road trip. Who's driving?
I said I'm sitting back.
This works now.
Holy cow. Alright, now it's free.
It says one of the doors open. 2,300 miles. Dude, I'm so stoked. I don't know if the speedometer works, but like the speedometer works now. That's a socket. That's a 17mm socket. It's just going down.
It turned around.
And now I can see what gear I'm in. This is so nice.
Alright, so now we're on our way to the... Jesus, I need to sit down.
Follow local laws, kids.
So we're on our way to the car wash to get this car vacuumed. We pulled out all the carpet, most of it. It's just covered in dust and dog food.
Is that a seatbelt noise?
Probably.
That's new and it's annoying. Oh, it stopped.
Now it's back.
All right, so it has not fixed our oil light. That's just sometimes on still.
All right, so we're on our way to the car wash part 2. Take 2.
Dude, we're living that. I don't know where I'm going, Galen.
Oh, I don't either.
You live here.
Dude, we need that bash bar in there. That cop car.
Let's go ask him if we can have it.
All right, turn around. Do illegal use right here.
Galen, if you look to your left, you'll see the only thing that works.
Whoa, dude, is that a wig?
That's active aerodynamics. The steering wheel sits right in front of where the oil light is, so it's just like it's never on if I don't look. Here's a little life hack for you. Now you can't hear it. Problem solved. Come on, and the oil light's off. Oh, whew. Oh, so the beeping's related to the oil light. Yeah, let me see if I can cause the oil light real quick. Yep. Vacuum time. Alright, you don't get to hide behind the camera anymore. You gotta vacuum.
Yikes.
Safety first! It's off. Sorry for spraying like sparks directly at you guys. I didn't even think about you guys being there. Safety first! Still attached somewhere?
There's.
Oh, I put this one back on. Yeah. Yeah, see? Perfect.
Nice.
Your guys' job is to tear this piece off while I start cutting the other side. I can't come home.
It actually looks like it will. Looks good.
we forgot to get zip ties.
I feel like I'm learning something.
Cut that out.
And you catch it on fire where you guys are going, are you just gonna stop and put it out and keep going?
Yeah.
Probably, yeah. Why would it set on fire though? We'll be fine.
I don't know.
I'm not gonna be in this.
If it sets on fire, that means fuel's leaking and we just duct tape it. Duct tape. The radio's all we have that works. Can't make that stop working. It's unscrewed. Fixed it. What a Bring me some. Where you going?
Burger King.
Don't bring me some. So all the carpet except for under the seats is pulled off now. Dude.
Oh yeah, it does.
Dude, this looks...
Okay.
We can steal one from the junkyard. But I do kind of like the idea of mismatched lights. But man, does this thing look angry from the front. We might not even need a ram. But you... I wish you had filmed that.
I did.
Oh, good.